big block cruisers, cheap project cars, and rare classics you almost never see anymore. Let's check out these vintage deals before they disappear. Number 1. 1977 Chevrolet Impala, $7,500, Fairfax, Virginia. This 1977 Chevrolet Impala two-door is described as a solid running and driving V8 cruiser with a red-on-red color combination. The seller says the car still drives well overall and appears to be usable as is. The main issue mentioned is that it needs a new vinyl top. Aside from that, it sounds like a straightforward full-size classic that could be enjoyed while slowly improving over time. Number 2. 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe 2D, $8,000, Lehighton, PA. This 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe comes with a C-Code 289 V8 and C4 automatic transmission. According to the seller, the car runs and drives well and has received many new parts, including tires and brakes. The burgundy paint was reportedly repainted once in the past and is now showing oxidation, but the interior is described as very nice. Overall, it sounds like a usable early Mustang driver rather than a full restoration project. Number 3. 1964 Chrysler New Yorker Sedan 4D, $7,900, Chicago, Illinois. This 1964 Chrysler New Yorker is powered by a 413 big block V8 and is described as a clean original survivor. The seller says the engine starts and runs without issues and that many power features, including the air conditioning, still work. Recent maintenance includes ignition and cooling system work along with carb tuning and detailing. With original paint and interior still present, this appears to be a well-preserved full-size luxury cruiser. Number 4. 1963 Chevrolet Nova Chevy 2, $8,000, Franklinville, North Carolina. This 1963 Chevrolet Nova 4D is presented as an all-original car powered by a straight-six engine and Powerglide automatic transmission. The seller says it runs and drives well and has spent much of its life in dry storage. Recent updates include a new gas tank, brakes, and headliner. Rust is reportedly limited mostly to the hood, making this sound like a fairly honest survivor-style compact classic. Number 5. 1971 Cadillac Sedan DeVille, $8,000, Marble Hill, Missouri. This 1971 Cadillac Sedan DeVille is described as a dependable daily driven classic with only 58,000 original miles. Powered by a 472 V8, the car reportedly still has working power accessories and cold air conditioning. The seller mentions minor issues with the cruise control and one speaker, but otherwise presents the car as a reliable survivor that has been regularly driven for over a year.
Number 6. 1971 Pontiac Le Mans Coupe 2D, $8,000, West Union, OH. This 1971 Pontiac T37 is a manual transmission muscle-era coupe that reportedly runs and drives great. The seller says the body and floors are solid, with only small rust areas around the rear glass and lower doors. It's also described as clean underneath and capable of long drives without issue. Overall, this sounds like a driver-quality classic with a usable foundation. Number 7. 1974 Chevrolet Corvette, $8,000, Scott City, Missouri. This 1974 Corvette retains its original engine and 4-speed manual transmission. The seller notes the car has received years of maintenance and upgrades, including ignition, cooling, suspension, brakes, and air conditioning work. The car is described as a driver-quality Corvette rather than a show car, but one that has been actively maintained and driven regularly. Number 8. 1966 Ford Mustang V6 Coupe 2D, $7,950, St. Joseph, TN. This 1966 Ford Mustang has received a large amount of replacement sheet metal and mechanical parts, including new doors, fenders, hood, wheels, tires, and fuel tank. The seller says the car still runs and drives fairly well. Rust remains in the quarter panels and floor pans, and the car is currently in primer. Even so, it sounds like a usable restoration project with many expensive parts already replaced. Number 9. 1977 Chevrolet Corvette L82, $8,000, Fostoria OH. This 1977 Corvette L82 features a T-top body style and reportedly has around 65,000 miles. The seller says the car has received thousands of dollars in recent maintenance, including transmission work, cooling system upgrades, and ignition components. The car has been regularly driven during summer months and stored away from bad weather. It could still use new seats, but overall it sounds like a maintained, driver-quality Corvette. Number 10. 1972 Mercury Montego, $8,000, Canton, Michigan. This 1972 Mercury Montego MX is described as being about 90% restored, with only paintwork remaining. The seller says the 302 engine runs great, and many suspension and brake components have already been replaced. The body reportedly has very minimal rust, while the interior is said to be in excellent condition. Overall, this sounds like a nearly finished cruiser that can already be enjoyed while completing the cosmetic work.
Number 11. 1978 Volvo 262C, $3,000, Baltimore, Mississippi. This unusual 1978 Volvo 262C is far from stock, now powered by a Chevy 350 small block paired with what the seller believes is a TH400 automatic transmission. According to the listing, the car runs and drives great, and is described as both quick and fun to drive. The seller mentions the engine smokes a little, which is not uncommon for an older small block V8 setup. There's also a shake around 60 miles per hour, although they say it smooths out at different speeds. Only the oil pressure gauge currently works, so the car will likely need additional sorting and attention before becoming a dependable cruiser. Even with the rough edges, this looks like one of the more unique swaps in the lineup. For someone wanting an oddball vintage project with muscle car character mixed into a European body, this Volvo could be an entertaining budget build with plenty of personality. Number 12. 1978 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz, $4,500, Memphis, Tennessee. This 1978 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz is presented as a running and driving luxury coupe that still appears clean overall. The seller notes the car has very little to no rust and comes with a clean title, which is always a positive sign on a large late 70s Cadillac. Mechanically, the car will need brakes and a general tune-up according to the listing. That suggests it's more of a usable project than a fully road-ready cruiser, but the major foundation seems to still be there. For buyers wanting a classic personal luxury car without spending huge money up front, this Eldorado sounds like a realistic entry-level option. It's not described as restored or perfect, but it could make a comfortable weekend cruiser with some straightforward mechanical work.
Number 13. 1978 Mercury Grand Marquis, $8,000, Summit, Argo, Illinois. This 1978 Mercury Grand Marquis is described as a clean, full-size cruiser showing around 94,000 miles. The seller says the air conditioning works perfectly and also mentions the car has little to no rust, which is important for a large luxury sedan from this era. The listing itself is fairly simple, but the overall impression is that the car has been preserved reasonably well rather than heavily modified or restored. These big-body Mercury models are known for their soft ride and comfortable highway manners. For classic car fans who enjoy original late 70s American luxury, this one sounds more like a usable survivor than a major project. It may not be flashy, but it could appeal to buyers looking for a straightforward vintage cruiser with solid road presence. Number 14. 1979 Buick Estate Wagon, $7,500, Salzburg, PA. This 1979 Buick Estate Wagon is powered by a 350 engine with a TH350 automatic transmission and has reportedly already completed several road trips without trouble. The seller describes it as a solid car overall and notes it has recently been inspected. The wagon still carries many of its original features, including Buick wheels, a rear-facing third-row seat, and the two-way rear tailgate with power window.
Some recent maintenance includes a rebuilt carburetor and new exhaust components behind the catalytic converter. It's not perfect though. The engine is not numbers matching, the timing cover seeps oil, the exhaust manifolds leak, and the door seals need attention. Still, for someone wanting a vintage family wagon that can already be driven and enjoyed, this sounds like a realistic and honest driver quality project.
Number 15. 1977 Cadillac DeVille Sedan 4D, $2,500, Peoples, Ohio. This 1977 Cadillac DeVille is a budget-friendly, full-size luxury project powered by a 425 V8 with a 4-barrel carburetor. The seller says the car runs and drives and already has several newer brake components installed. Recent work reportedly includes new calipers, a master cylinder, and brake hoses. However, the seller also mentions the car could use a new carburetor, suggesting it may still need tuning or drivability improvements. At just $2,500, this one feels more like an affordable entry into vintage Cadillac ownership than a finished classic. It could appeal to someone wanting a large cruiser they can gradually improve while still enjoying on the road. Number 16. 1977 Cadillac Fleetwood Sedan 4D, $3,500, Brookhaven, Georgia. This 1977 Cadillac Fleetwood is described as a running project car being sold with only a bill of sale. The seller notes the car will need a starter along with the complete interior redo. Even with the unfinished condition, the car still appears to have the foundation of a classic late 70s luxury sedan. The black exterior paired with the red interior gives it a strong vintage Cadillac look that could stand out once restored. Because of the paperwork situation and interior needs, this is clearly not a turnkey cruiser. Still, for buyers comfortable with restoration work and older luxury cars, it could be an affordable long-term project with potential.
Number 17. 1961 Oldsmobile Dynamic 88 4-door, $4,000, Virginia Beach, VA. This 1961 Oldsmobile Dynamic 88 comes equipped with a large 394 cubic inch V8 and column shift automatic transmission. The seller states the car runs and drives, with the engine sounding healthy and able to idle properly. Several positives are mentioned, including working headlights and wiper motors, newer tires, original dash components, and included seating. However, the project still needs plenty of work, including rust repair, interior finishing, gas tank installation, and repairs for leaks and trim issues. The seller also notes the car will need to be towed, so buyers should expect a hands-on restoration project rather than a ready-to-drive cruiser. Still, the car's early 60s styling and surviving original pieces could make it appealing to traditional full-size classic fans. Number 18. 1963 Mercury Comet, $3,400, West College Corner, Indiana. This 1963 Mercury Comet is described as a small classic project that already has quite a bit of mechanical work completed. The seller says the engine now runs well, and the original transmission has been replaced with a C4 automatic and new crossmember setup. Additional updates include a new fuel tank, air shocks, drive shaft, and engine tune-up work. The seller also mentions the interior is in very good condition overall, only needing a new headliner to finish it off. The biggest remaining issue appears to be the braking system, which still needs rebuilding before regular road use. Because of that, the seller recommends trailering at home. Overall, this sounds like a realistic project for someone wanting a smaller, early 60s American classic that's already partway sorted. Number 19. 1971 Volkswagen Beetle, $2,500, Hanover, PA. This 1971 Volkswagen Beetle is presented as a solid little project with very little rust, according to the seller. The car is described as mostly complete and still in good overall condition for its age. The engine reportedly turns over freely, although the seller has not yet attempted to start it. One major drawback is the lack of a title, and the car will also need to be towed. Even so, Beetles remain popular because of their simple mechanical layout and strong aftermarket support. For someone comfortable dealing with paperwork and mechanical recommissioning, this could be an affordable entry-level classic Volkswagen project. Number 20. 1977 Lincoln Continental Mark VII LSC Sedan, 2D, $1,500, Cleveland, Georgia. This 1977 Lincoln Continental project is being sold after sitting for several years. The seller originally planned to restore the car and already purchased many parts needed to get it running again. According to the listing, the car includes a brand new carburetor that still needs to be fully installed, along with additional parts included in the sale. It's powered by a small block Ford V8 and also retains factory air conditioning. At only $1,500, this is clearly a project first vehicle rather than a finished driver. But for someone looking for a low-cost vintage luxury restoration with included parts and a V8 platform, it could be an interesting long-term build. Which one would you actually take home and restore? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest classic car finds and real project car listings every week.